welcome back, my friends. Today we have the cutest craft for you that you can make with your kiddos this Christmas season. We have three, in fact. We're going to start with some popsicle sticks, some googly eyes, black and white paint, some paint brushes, the wire cutters or anything you can cut the popsicle sticks with, red and orange paper, and a black marker. My daughter is going to be helping me, so she is going to be making her own, which I love crafting with her. And so we're going to start by stacking up 5 popsicle sticks and then cutting off pieces of another one to help us attach them on the back with some hot glue. My daughter's going to be doing the same exact thing, and she is a very, very good crafter at a very young age. She started crafting, and now I love crafting with her. We're going to then paint about 1/3 of the stack of popsicle sticks and then paint another popsicle stick in the black color. And then we're going to paint the remaining stack of the popsicle sticks in white. Today we are creating 3 ornaments, and this one is a gorgeous little snowman. So we're going to add, once dry of course, we're going to add that popsicle stick right there where both colors meet. And then we're going to take the red paper and we're going to cut off small little strips and we're going to add it right there on top. This is just to add a little bit of color in between the hat parts, just like that. And then we're going to add googly eyes, of course, to make them fun, and just going to add some details. We're going to take the orange paper and create a carrot nose. So just cut it in the shape of a triangle, whatever size you want. And then we're going to glue it right there in the center. We're going to use a black marker to create a nice happy face. And then we're going to take the black string and we're going to knot it and we're going to hot glue it to the back. And this is how we can hang these ornaments. And my daughter and I love shaking our creations for you. But look how adorable they look. You can make, of course, as many as you want. You can gift them to friends and family or use them for your tree. What do you think? For this next Christmas craft, we are going to use more popsicle sticks, a green paper, red and kind of like yellowish pom-poms in the smaller size, red glittery paper, but you can also use regular red paper, green paint, googly eyes, a black marker, more string. We're also going to use paintbrushes, of course, scissors, the hot glue, and a gold marker, but you can also use yellow paper if you do not have gold marker. All right, again, we're going to stack some popsicle stick. These are going to be 4 of them. And then we're going to cut off some extra pieces so that we can, again, attach it to the back, just like you see here. And then we're going to paint about 1/3 of it in this beautiful green. We're creating little elves ornaments. And then we're going to take the green paper and we're going to cut off a triangle. This is just going to mimic a little hat for our elf. Then just make sure that you make the wider part as wide as the popsicle sticks. And you can make it as high or as low as you want. And then you want to hot glue it in place, or you can also use regular glue for this one. Then we're going to take the red glittery paper. Again, if you don't have this, of course, you can just use red paper. And we're going to create just some details for the hat as well as the little clothes for our elves. And I'm just going to wiggle it and make it look like a little crown. Now, my daughter had a little bit of a hard time, so I'm just going to have her trace hers out of mine. And this is what it should look like, give or take. And then we're going to hot glue it to the top, or actually to the bottom of the hat, to the top of the elf, just like that. We're going to create another one, and we're going to hot glue it to the bottom. This is going to be like a little, almost like a little detail for the outfit. And then we're going to hot glue the red pom-pom to the top of the hat. My daughter thought it was going to be the nose. We were both laughing so hard. I said, no, that's for the hat. It's okay. We all do it. Now we're going to add the googly eyes. And then we're going to add the nose. And we're going to use the orange pom-pom. Of course, you can use yellow if you want as well. Even black or white should work. And then once that's attached, we are going to make a nice smiley face for our elf because he's happy to help Santa. And then the last thing we need to do is a belt. So we're going to add a belt with a black marker right there in the center of the green portion. And then we're going to use the gold marker And this is what we're going to use to create a belt buckle. But again, if you have yellow paper, you can use that as well, or maybe even yellow paint. I love doing this, and look at her fixing my work. I love her. All right, so these are ornaments. We have to add strings so that we can hang them. So we're just going to use the same method we used earlier. Knot it, and then hot glue it to the back. And then, of course, we got to show you while we shake the googly eyes. Look how adorable they look. This is a great craft you can make with your kids, a fun one. You can help as needed, of course. But what do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Christmas craft, we're going to take more popsicle sticks, of course. We're going to take black and red paint. We are going to use some of these red berries from the Dollar Tree and some faux leaves from this little tiny pig. We're going to use some jute string. I'm going to use this one that looks like baker's twine. And we're going to use a few blocks of these tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree. All right, here's what we're going to do. We are going to paint 3 of the blocks in the black color, as well as 2 popsicle sticks. Don't pay attention to that third one on my page. I don't know what he was doing there. And then we are going to paint the 3rd block in red. And then you want to let them dry. We were kind of impatient, so ours was still a little tacky, but it's okay. We're going to hot glue 2 of the black blocks, then the red one, and then another black one, just like you see us doing here. And then we're going to take the black popsicle sticks and we're going to hot glue it to the bottom. This is going to give us a little snowman hat. So we have the snowman, the elves, and then snowman hat. You can create these as a set and gift them to grandparents or aunts and uncles, friends. Oh, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Or you can use them for yourself, of course. My daughter's going to keep these for her because she's going to have a Christmas tree in her room for the first time ever, and she's so excited. All right, we're going to take the plastic little leaves. We're just going to hot glue them right there. And we're going to take the berries and hot glue them right on top. This is just going to add a little detail. And I actually think it brought everything together so nicely. Beautiful. We're going to take the jute string. Again, we're going to loop it and knot it and hot glue it to the back so that we can hang it. And I think these are absolutely gorgeous. Again, we're going to shake them for you. Look how cute. Oh, my word. I love these. These are so fun. Again, you can create them as a set and gift them or use them for yourself. But let me know what you think. And of course, as always, I have another video here for you with tons of Christmas crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting. Bye.